Hey, what's going on, everybody? TexasNova here. So check this out, man. I got something today. Actually got something the other day. I went out and bought me a truck. Pretty good looking old truck. Same truck that I had about maybe 20 years ago. 84 C10 square body. Right there. So let me go ahead and turn this camera around. Take a look at it. So here it is. Same one that I had a long time ago. Not the same truck, obviously. But got the thing up in Tulsa, went and found it on Facebook Marketplace, and a pretty good looking sharp little old truck. Original paint's got some dings on it. You know, of course, you're gonna find these in these truck here. Got a long scratch right there, some little nicks and chips, same old rust that in these little patches right here. Come around here on the other side, same one right there. So that's pretty normal. Bed, nothing out of the normal. Some scratches. Okay. Come around here to the hood. Hood looks good. The hood does have some hail damage, which is no big deal. You know, I'm just going to drive it as it is. And let's go ahead and pop the trunk. I'm sorry, the trunk. Let me pop the hood. So, ugly 305. Ugly 305. Nothing spectacular. It does have AC, but they took the AC bracketry out. So what I am thinking about doing is, of course, you know me, I am the LS king. I'm gonna put an LS-ing in here. I am going to go. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm going junkyard. I'm going junkyard LS. You can get them pretty cheap. My buddy got one for his at some 60,000 miles on it and got it for $500. There's a guy here in town that installs them for $1,000. I really don't want to fool with it because, you know, when I did my Nova, I went overboard, and I know me. I'm going to get every good part of manageable. I'm going to go top shelf. I really don't want to do that to this thing here. You know, I spent all my money on my Nova, and this here's just going to be a plain Jane. So everything's going to be all original. I really don't care. Only the outside and interior is what I'm going to be really worried about. So $1,000, I figure that's a steal. You know, pull the motor out, mount it up, and down the road I go. One bad piece of news that I have, and that is the transmission. So when I went up there to the guy, told the guy, he listed it, and I'll show you a picture here. So let me show you this. Let me drop a picture down. Let me show you the ad here. So, guy wanted a little $4,800. I told him, I said, listen, it's got some bumps and dings. I said, which is fine. I said, but your asking price is a little bit too much. So the guy goes, okay, well, shoot me a price. And I said, well, I don't want to offend you, you know. And so guy goes, well, I can do it. Say no. I said, okay, 35. He said, no, I can't do that. So then he's like, well, you know, you can continue to look. It's not going to hurt my feelings, you know, so forth and so on. I said, you know what? And I pulled out a stack of 20s, you know, but like that right there, $4,000. I said, listen, I got $4,000. He goes, okay. So I talked him into it and bought the truck. And I said, is it roadworthy? I said, you know what? I may just take this back to Dallas with me and put my vet on there. And he goes, oh, yeah, it'll go. Made it 90 miles. And the transmission took a shit on me. So I got to get a transmission. But luckily I know a guy who can build me a transmission for $650 brand new right out the door. So, but other than that, I got to put it in there. So let's go on the inside and let's take a look. So open it up here. The only thing is the dash is cracked. Does not have a headliner. Seat, it's got, I think it's got the vinyl seat, and I'm sure, I don't know what the condition of it. I'm assuming it's pretty bad since they have this on here. Door panels look in pretty good shape. You know, I'm surprised. Dash is about $300, which, you know me, I'm gonna go ahead and replace as well. Got a new windshield. They've got the new chrome strip around here. Chrome strips, these don't last very long. These are old. So just like the back here, see how the back is, you know, those flake off. Those only last a couple years or whatever. So, but overall, you know, it's a pretty solid truck. Let me see if I can start it. Let me get this key out. All right. Let's go ahead and start her up. Now it's got a single exhaust. not too bad, you know, for a little 305. So that's it right there. So there you go, guys. Appreciate you for watching. Appreciate you for sticking around. I'm gonna have some videos of this thing here, and you know what? I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna call it now. Am I gonna call it Texas C10, Texas Square Body? Am I gonna call my channel that? I don't think so. But anyway, that's it for right now, guys. I got some updates I got coming on that thing right there. So I can't zoom in. So there she sits. So anyway, guys, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for subbing. And right there, I'm gonna have some updates for you guys on that one. Nova's coming along nicely. Kind of dragging my feet. It's been so hot. So I'm gonna be getting some paint on here pretty soon. So stick around. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Drive safe. Be safe. I'll see you guys on the next video.